Every morning at 6 o'clock, Mai quietly closed her door, not because she loved waking up early, but because she has promised herself 30 minutes of running and 20 minutes of English practice each day. At first, it was tough. Her legs felt heavy, and whenever the alarm rang, she was tempted to turn it off, telling herself, "Tomorrow is dead." But Mai set a strict rule. She wasn't allowed to turn off the alarm without sitting up. And if she felt lazy, she still had to run at least 10 minutes. Never skip entirely. On her mirror, she hung a small note. "You'll feel different once it's done." Gradually, the routine fell into place. Short run turned into refreshing warm-ups. Her steady breathing woke her up for the day. For English practice, instead of cramming, she broke lessons into small parts. 5 new words each morning. One short 3 minutes listening exercise. She tracked her progress on a chart. Every box marked meant a completed day. After 3 months, the changes were obvious. She no longer ran out of breath climbing hills. She remembered new words more easily, and her morning at work felt sharper, more productive. When a promotion, opportunity, opened up at her company, her boss mentioned her improved communication and proactive spirit. Two strengths she has been quietly building all along. Mai knew she hasn't reached any grand destination yet, but the results she gained were real. Better health, stronger English skills, and growing trust from others. All of it came from choosing to do the small things today, instead of postponing them tomorrow. Discipline, to her, wasn't about hardness. It was about keeping a promise to herself, one day at a time. Jim Rohn once said, "We all have to suffer one or two pains. The pains of discipline, or the pain of regret." And you know what? The pain of discipline is much milder than the pain of regret. Because discipline has a limit. You only need to endure a few hours a day, for a few months or a few years. But regret will haunt you for a lifetime. You have to start today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is the most beautiful lie of procrastination. Without discipline, you live in full freedom, doing what you like but forever in prison. With discipline, you live in true freedom, being able to choose the life you want. A day without discipline, you lose a little freedom. A month without discipline, you lose many opportunities. A year without discipline, you lose a future. And then, when you look back, you find yourself tied down by trivial habits that you initially called freedom.